WWE Universe. Finally, things are gonna get settled.
My goosebumps have goosebumps, and if yours don't, you better check your pulse.
Starting off with a bang with an epic battleground match. Singles match coming up next.
Hold on to your seats. We have singles action coming up next.
We have a real fan favorite versus a formidable opponent.
This fire burns inside me. I fight to take control. They try but cannot break me. Never forget, never let go. And now I'm back again. The rest get left behind. Up top and there's nothing changing. This time it's mine for the taking. Gonna take it over. No, I'm not afraid. Now I'm getting closer. Till the day I stand here on my own. Leave the world back now below. I'll take it away. Tear down everything. This fire burns inside me. I fight to take control.
You think you know me?
On this day, I see clearly everything is come to life. In a place, in a broken dream, and we'll leave it all.
And guys, what a thrill it must be for these superstars to compete here on Thanksgiving.
Especially considering what this day has meant to this industry over the years. For decades, Thanksgiving was considered one of the biggest nights of sports entertainment. And that tradition continues here tonight.
And his opponent, from Uganda, weighing in at 381 pounds, Wild Man.
Guys, we have two of WWE's most exciting superstars ready to square off here.
And there's nothing quite like seeing two superstars settling it in the ring in one-on-one action, Michael.
And we're underway. Looking at these two men, I don't think there's going to be anything traditional about this one-on-one matchup.
Loving blow.
Oh, just inflicting so much damage to the body.
Oh, my. That'll do some serious damage. Oh, what a slam.
He looks a bit off his game here, but he's very aware of who he's in there with and what he has to do.
He goes for the cover. And a kick out, much to nobody's surprise. Not yet. Too early. Oh, nasty impact.
Oh, right to the face. He has such a wide array of offense from anywhere in the ring.
He's starting to going for broke.
He's definitely starting to lose it here.
Whoa, he works his way out.
A bit of a Houdini job right there.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Boom, what impact.
Nailed it.
He's stumbling some now. His hopes of winning this match appear to be dwindling in a hurry.
The amount of punishment he's absorbed in this match is absolutely insane. A lesser man would have given up and walked away by now.
Man, I knew this was going to be a closely fought battle, but I didn't realize it was going to be this close. This is unreal.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Here it comes. He's got him. Here he goes.
Absolutely spiked.
DDT.
Oh, he got him.
Let's look at this again.
He's going for the pin. There's the pin. It's over. It's all over. Some superstars doing what they do best. Here are the highlights.
Overall, this match was average at best. But not every match is going to be memorable. In fact, I've almost forgotten it happened already.
Here is your winner, the King of Old School, Steve Bayrisch.
And the first match of the night comes to an end in thrilling fashion.
If that match is any indication of what to expect here tonight, we are in for an amazing evening.
What a great match. Thank you, everybody, for spending part of your Thanksgiving holiday with us. This is going to be very interesting. Stay with us. The Fatal 4-Way is next.
This is going to be awesome.
Gonna take it over. No, I'm not afraid. Now I'm getting closer till the day I stand here on my own. Leave the world back down below. I'll take it away. Tear down everything. This fire burns inside me. I fight to take control. They try but cannot break.
And let me take this opportunity to say happy Thanksgiving to all of you watching tonight.
I gotta say, I don't know if it's because I ate too much turkey or if it's just Saxton's commentary. It's a good thing this match coming up is gonna give me a little boost.
It's Saxton's commentary. Batten down the hatches. It could be that time.
And his opponent, first, from the Rocky Mountains, weighing
being. It's like he's possessed.
Yeah, but what's more terrifying is the agility that this big man possesses.
This, gentlemen.
The red and black attack is back.
And from every man's nightmare, weighing in at 259 pounds, the man called
The lone wolf is now a member of the pack.
A master of the Scorpion Deathlock. One of the most elite superstars to ever step in a ring anywhere on the planet Earth.
The face paint might have changed, but the greatness is still the same. This is Sting.
The mood's changing, folks. The Leviathan is here.
And from the Rocky Mountains, weighing in at 303 pounds, Lars Sullivan.
Take a look at the size of Lars Sullivan. Everything about the mountain man from Denver is huge, terrifying. Look at his skull, look at his fists. They don't make people like this.
I have never seen anyone who just looks consistently in a foul mood like Lars Sullivan.
I've never seen anyone like Lars Sullivan, period. And a frame that'll block out the sun itself.
Imagine waking up to that sight. Well, not literally. That'd be the worst case scenario.
And here we go as four of WWE's top superstars compete here in this gigantic fatal four-way match.
Mark my words, Cole. These four superstars are about to embark on the fight of their lives.
Vigilante Sting has such a fear-inducing presence. I wouldn't want to be the guy he points that bat at.
Yeah, but even without the bat, he can cause some serious damage with the Scorpion Death Drop or the Scorpion Death Lock.
Ooh, what an upper! He's left wide open here.
I don't think he even realizes it. He looks dazed.
This is about to get bad.
Oh, man, what a leg drop.
His shoulders are down. Plenty of fight left.
Oh, wow. What a splash.
He's in a bad spot, guys.
I wouldn't be surprised if he hightails it through the crowd. You should go
hope.
with him, Byron.
Bulldog. Delivered with force. setting it up. Nice neck breaker. Ooh.
He's in a vulnerable spot now, guys.
Look at him. He's wide open for attack.
Vader better not get too cocky or he'll pay for it later.
Whoa, Sullivan really dodged that one. And Sting slips out of harm's way. Ooh-wee.
Sting hurting a little here. He needs to make sure he doesn't get double or even triple teamed here.
At this point, it's still anybody's match, Cole, but he's got to be careful not to take too much more punishment here if he wants to be the one walking away with the win.
This is all part of the process, guys. He knew he would take on some offense here tonight. He just has to make sure he keeps it to a minimum.
Putting it all on the line. Look at this. You gotta believe this one's over. He needs to find a way to get on the offensive, guys.
I'm really disappointed in what we're seeing from him here tonight. Heading in, I really thought he had a chance of winning this fatal four-way match.
Driver!
Oh, it's over. Big trouble for Vic. Here we go. Back inside the ring. Yeah, he's got a lot left in him.
It's gonna take more than that to keep Lars down.
Harsh impact.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Oh, right to the body. That hurt. You got a feel for Lars Sullivan looking beaten down at this point.
This is like the ending of a horror movie.
He may very well be running. Oh, what impact.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are. Elbow drop, big time. Vader is a one-man gang right now.
Oh, and the reversal by Vader.
Uh-oh, going for the run.
Oh, man, a mastodon-sized choke slam.
Victory is on the horizon. Will Sting be able to continue?
No way. No way.
Wow, what impact.
Around the waist.
Power. Spine buster. Look at this. 2.
Whoa, Sullivan really dodged that one.
Look out, there he goes.
Knocked right off his feet.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
The cover. And there's the breakup. Just in the nick of time. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Oof. Whack. Michael, that gives new meaning to habits. It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over.
Oh, shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
Uh-oh. Sting with a scorpion death drop.
For a while there, it looked like Sting had nothing left.
And Sting slips out of harm's way.
Here, clothesline.
For a while there, it looked like Sting had nothing left.
Always nice when a plan starts coming together.
Stinging everything in sight right now, Michael.
When this guy's on, look out. On the shoulders here.
And it could be a long way down from there.
Now in full control. Oh, what a slam! That hurt!
Beautiful technique.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
I don't know how much more these superstars can take, guys. You'd have to think something's got to give here soon.
Vader is going to have to act quickly here to stay in this.
The pressure of competing in this fatal four-way match may have finally gotten to him.
Well, on the plus side, he's not the only one in that ring struggling for air right now.
Toss to the outside.
And what a reversal from Sting.
Taking on any more damage here could very well mean the beginning of the end.
Sting might want to rethink his approach here.
I think Sting is done playing. Not so fast.
Lands this, and he is done. Boom! Face first.
Oh my.
With a pile driver. This is not where Vader wants to be right now. Can Vader stay in this after that?
Uh-oh. Stinger with a scorpion death drop.
That's what he was looking for, Michael.
Here we go for the win. 2, 3. The cover, and this one's history. What a win. And here's another look at why the Fatal 4-Way is one of the most unpredictable and entertaining matches in WWE.
That's what I love about the WWE. A match that lives up to expectations, but still finds a way to surprise us. Good stuff. He's going to want to make sure he saves every minute of this match for his personal highlight reel, because he was on fire in this one.
Kicking off the night with an impressive victory.
If that's the type of action we're going to get all night long, I can't wait to see the rest of the card unfold.
What a great match. Thank you, everybody, for spending part of your... Up next, we're going to see someone defy the odds. It's triple threat action.
Gonna take it over. No, I'm not afraid. Now getting closer till the day I stand here on my own. Leave the world back now below. I'll take it away. Tear down everything. This fire burns inside me. I fight to take control. They try but cannot break me. Never forget, never let go. And now
Making his way to the ring from New York, weighing in at 216 pounds, that attitude, Bill Valeska.
Guys, this sold-out arena is buzzing right now in anticipation of this triple threat match.
Yeah, and I'm willing to bet the concession stands are on empty right now. Nobody wants to miss even a second of this match.
the knockout artist, hard to hit.
I heard this man's been saying some bad things about you, Saxton. What? What'd you hear?
And his opponent, first, from Miami, Florida, weighing in at 287 pounds, the WWE Champion and one half of the WCW World Tag Team Champion.
Without question, one of the toughest, and some would say cockiest individuals to ever compete here in WWE.
I think he just tossed that toothpick at you.
No, he missed. remember his incredible ladder match at WrestleMania 10 against Shawn Michaels?
Who can forget that? It was a defining moment in WWE history, and it paved the way for some of the greatest superstars of this era. Cool, calm, collected.
And from Warsaw, Poland, weighing in at 219 pounds, the ECW World Heavyweight Champion, Rob Van Dam.
And so it begins. Despite triple threats being every man for himself, history has shown that the match's dynamics can create unlikely alliances. A participant must be ready to endure double team attacks at any time.
Aside from Saxton's commentary, this has all the makings of an epic match.
Drop down.
Oh, so tear the features clean off your face.
Look at that tremendous ring presence.
Very impressive. It'll destroy your face.
What's going to happen here? Backbreaker.
Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle. Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle.
Boom, what impact.
Setting it up.
He's stalking his opponent from the end may be near.
This might not have been a wise move for him here, Michael.
Whoa, he works his way out.
A bit of a Houdini job right there. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Ooh, what impact. Got every ounce of that one. This could be over.
He's got him covered. He got body on body there, but that's about it.
Very nice.
Wow, I thought he was a goner.
Got him up.
Big time atomic drop.
That'll have you walking funny.
He's expending a lot of energy, so he's got to keep that in mind.
He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Man,
Oh, nasty impact.
he's playing with him now.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
He's expending a lot of energy, so he's got to keep that in mind.
Oh.
Drop! Bang! You gotta believe this one's over.
Talk about having the living hell beat out of cover here.
Early, boy, he is rolling.
And he doesn't stay down for long.
Amazing.
What should Razor Ramon's mindset be at this point? His chances of winning this triple threat match are starting to dwindle.
This triple threat match really seems to be getting the best of him here, guys. I don't like his chances.
Oh, what a snapmare.
Oh, perfectly executed. He's got the shoulders down. And Ramon getting the shoulder up.
Nah, not yet. Too early.
What a slam.
Impactful. Will jar your spine.
He's not looking like himself here. We all know, though, this guy has plenty of fight left in him.
Yeah, but there's still quite a sizable variance as it relates to where these guys are health-wise.
He might have it.
Here we go. Razor Ramon is setting it up.
We're going to see it. Way up there.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Ooh, no luck against Ramon there.
Razor Ramon is simply not looking good here, folks. I have a feeling this isn't going to end well for him.
Oh, man, he's ripe for the picking now. There's almost no way he can still win this thing. Not after taking all this punishment.
Ramon is teetering on a razor's edge.
Oh, his feet are on the ropes. His feet are on the ropes.
I expected as much from him tonight. Dominating shoulder tackle.
Toss to the outside.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Northern Lights bomb.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Referee barely had time to begin a count there.
The bad guy kicks out. There was a razor-thin margin of error there.
Enough with the puns.
I can't help it.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole. He's expending a lot of energy, so he's got to keep that in mind.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Nailed it. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. When this guy's on, look out. Oh, the sledgehammer connects.
That'll scramble your insides.
Oh, the sledgehammer connects.
That'll scramble your insides.
Chaos, melee, pandemonium. Hoping to end it here.
This is it.
And an easy kick out from Razor Ramon.
Look at the look on his opponent's face, Cole. He can't believe it.
Taken off his feet here.
And it's moves like that that make him so dangerous.
Sling blade.
Nicely done.
He's looking at it.
And the slam.
What a comeback.
Did you see the impact on that? Wow.
Now that got those shoulders on the map. Two. Digging deep for a kick out.
How in the world? Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Oh, going to the top. High risk.
He looks for it once again.
Face buster!
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
In case you're keeping score, that's twice, Byron.
Down, Samoan driver. We may be looking at our winner here, guys.
Razor Ramon's not gonna like this.
He's in big trouble. What a hellaciously physical match these gladiators have put themselves through. The intensity of this has been incredible.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Oh, what a kick. That has got to be it.
Can he score the pin? He's got to be running on empty at this point.
I can't believe it. He just won't go away.
He's expending a lot of energy, so he's got to keep that in mind.
He might have it.
Drop kick with precision. It is going to take a minor miracle for Razor to come back from that one. Harsh impact.
Razor Ramon setting it up.
Are we going to see it?
And there's the cover. One. Boom. On, he dodges out of the way. Comes up big with the reversal. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Caught him right in the jaw. Ugh, what a shot. Clubbing blow to the back.
Got him up.
Dodges a bullet there. Looking for the finish.
Yeah, if he hits this, the match is over.
Look at this.
If you're this superstar, you got to be happy about where you're listed in the recent power rankings.
Taking on any more damage here could very well mean the beginning of the end. This could be all she wrote. Oh, what a DDT! Wow.
Warm up the bus. This one is over. Okay, this time has to do it.
He thinks he has it. 1, 2, 3. What a win. Talk about seizing opportunity. And here's another peek at some of the more memorable parts of the match.
Some pretty good give and take in this match, as these highlights show. These guys showed flashes in this match, but flashes don't exactly set the world on fire, as these highlights show very well. This was one of those matches that had flashes of brilliance, but never quite lived up to all the hype. Good match overall.
Here is your winner, That Attitude, Bill Valeska.
And that's a win to start off the night.
And if that match is any indication of what to expect here tonight, we are in.
Gonna take it over. No, I'm not afraid. Now I'm getting closer till the day I stand here on my own. Leave the world back now below. I'll take.
Confidence is good. Arrogance is not. Walking a fine line there.
well, okay.
Confidence is good. Arrogance is not. Walking a fine line there.
Bringing the attitude.
Bad doesn't even begin to describe the blood between these superstars.
Okay.
They say pride comes before the fall. We shall see.
Not making any friends, but not really concerned about it either.
You gotta love the attitude. Going to be hard getting into the arena with an ego that big.
Definitely a fan favorite.
Message received, and I, for one, can't wait.
That makes me want to climb in the ring with him.
Now that's how you promote a bout. Catch your breath, because the next match should be every bit as good. Get ready for...
Till the day I stand here on my own, leave the world let go. And now I'm back again. The rest get left behind.
Introducing first, from every man's nightmare, Harvey Quinn.
I hope everybody enjoyed their turkey as we prepare to kick this match off momentarily.
You know what, guys? Aside from my family, I can't think of two other people I'd rather spend Thanksgiving with. In fact, I'd go so far as to say that you guys are like family to me. Happy Thanksgiving, fellas.
The Pirate Princess.
And her partner, from Yamaguchi, Japan, the SmackDown Women's Champion, Kairi Sane.
Corey, how do you think these superstars feel about competing here on Thanksgiving?
They should feel honored, Cole. As you know, Thanksgiving has a long-standing tradition of being one of the more prestigious nights on the sports entertainment calendar.
Oh, this is awesome.
And their opponent, first, from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, Trish Stratus.
What's this?
Well, I think it's about to be a highlight reel.
Oh, and now we have a brawl on our hands.
Oh, yeah. They didn't need the match to start to make a point.
Ref's going to call it if they don't get into the ring.
Yeah, this referee's warning them.
All the way up and around the world.
Crucifix head scissors.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Oh, boom.
Oh, swept the leg right out from under.
Enziguri.
Oh, boom.
Oh, swept the leg right out from under.
Bulldog.
Sidewalk slam.
Seems like Lita in some trouble here. She's going to need to find a way to mount an offense here. And here we go, folks, as we get this tag team match started.
When I think of tag teams that can make a major impact on today's WWE, I absolutely think of these two teams.
Oh, boom!
Oh, swept the leg right out from under.
She's looking wobbly, guys.
And I assure you the hazards outside the ring are very, very real.
This is a bad situation.
What a clothesline.
Good grief.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
She has some reason to be concerned here. Her and her partner aren't going to let this derail them, though.
How she responds to this is going to be very important moving forward. She simply cannot let it take her out of her game plan.
What an incredible tag team contest.
We've got some time to take another look at some of the highlights from that one.
Here are your winners, STRAND
And that's what happens when you can't answer the 10 count.
When you put these two together, victory is really the only plausible outcome.
What a great match. Thank you, everybody, for spending part of your Thanksgiving holiday with us.
Gonna take it over. No, I'm not afraid. Now getting closer till the day I stand here on my own. Leave the world back now below. I'll take it away. Tear down everything. This fire burns inside me. I fight to take control. They try but cannot break me. Never forget, never let go. And now I'm back again. The rescue left me.
Rock and roll will never die.
making his way to the ring from Pensacola, Florida, weighing in at 234 pounds, Robert Gibson.
I'm excited to see what Robert Gibson does on his own. He could have been an even bigger star if he wasn't always stuck carrying around that dead weight blonde with him. It's like you and Saxton. I'm definitely the Robert of this tag team.
Are you going to ignore the fact that the Rock and Roll Express will go down in history as one of the greatest tag teams ever?
Yes, thanks in 100.
Making his way to the ring from Montreal, Quebec, Canada, weighing in at 212 pounds, Sami Zayn.
You know, Sami Zayn was once known as the underdog from the underground.
Yeah, then he started hanging out with Kevin Owens and became the coward from the underground.
Yep, bite your tongue, Saxton. Sami Zayn simply aligned himself with his best friend, and the two of them have achieved incredible things in WWE.
Yeah, like, let's see, getting fired.
Like starting the Yep movement, by big-time matches at WrestleMania.
Yeah, ripping off somebody else. Really creative.
Cole gets it, Saxton. Why don't you?
He's being condescending.
And his opponents, first, from Vienna, Austria, weighing in at 297 pounds,
This one should be great, guys. 6-man tag team action coming up.
Yeah, this one's a can't miss, Michael. Anytime you put 6 superstars like this in the same match, you're guaranteed excitement.
No, not this guy.
I will delete you.
All he does is talk nonsense.
It's not nonsense when you're woken, Michael Cole.
I'm awake.
And his opponent, first, from Cameron, North Carolina, weighing in at 236 pounds, Matt Hardy.
Byron, don't pretend you understand what this goof is all about.
Well, not all the time, but I think I could, with time, qualify as a Woken Warrior.
I disagree strongly, Byron. You do not possess the mental capacity to be woken. You are but merely a...
When you think Attitude Era, you think Stone Cold.
And his opponent, first, from Victoria, Texas, weighing in at 252 pounds, Stone Cold Steve Austin.
Hey, Stone Cold Steve Austin does what he wants, when he wants, and guys, it's paid off for him. I'd be making sure I didn't get on the bad side of Stone Cold. Man, he doesn't look too happy right now.
Well, I talked to Stone Cold backstage earlier today. He despises you, Saxton.
Is that true?
You know what? Why don't you guys call this one? I'm going to go back and throw some Steve Weisers on ice so that when Austin's done, we can celebrate proper.
Can you grab me a water when you're back there?
And his opponent, first, from Brisbane, Australia, weighing in at 210 pounds, smooth operator, Kurt Lightning.
Plenty of action coming up as we have 6 of WWE's top names ready to go here.
Oh man, Michael, 6-man matches like this always remind me of world class back in the 1980s.
Six-man tag team matches are always
Stone Cold Stunner.
but he's got to capitalize. Look out.
every ounce of that one. This could be over.
Irish whip. Boom!
Uh-oh.
Boom, right to the chin.
You can pick up your teeth in section 112.
Step up Enziguri.
Rocked him.
Oh, so ruthless.
Now that's how you use a table to your advantage. I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
Irish whip. Woo-wee. He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
Steve Austin starting to flounder some.
And you know, all three of the superstars he's up against won't back down at any point during this match.
Oh, what's this gonna be? Uh-oh.
There are instances when a six-man tag match will feature a team where...
Uh-oh. What a stomp. Oh, so ruthless.
Now that's how you use a table to your advantage. I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
There he goes, crashing to the floor. Corey, earlier you talked about what needs to happen when members of a six-man team have differences.
Uh-oh.
Oh, through the table! Here's his chance to win this. Your whole body hurts after a move like that.
Wow, what a leg. Oh, crushing the knee here. Dodges a bullet there.
I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Down they go.
Goes down hard. Oof. He's looking banged up here, guys.
And it looks like things are about to get even worse.
Oh, man, what a leg drop.
Beautiful technique.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
And Austin, Luthez press. Luthez press.
Look at him go.
Now that's what I call making a statement.
Stone Cold can draw the curtains on this fight.
They get dangerous out here, especially when there are no countouts. Oh, shoulder block. Elbow.
So impressive. Nasty impact.
Wow, what a flip.
Nice body control.
Nobody does it quite like him. Things just went from bad to worse for Steve Austin.
Look out,
Guys, he's going to have to turn things around quickly if he wants to win this thing.
A very crucial part in the match for him here. He simply cannot let his opponent gain too much momentum.
He's a ball of energy right now, but we'll see if it lasts.
he's in full control now.
This is truly a test here to see what Sami Zayn can do. He has to formulate a plan quickly. I don't recall the last time he looked so fatigued.
Guys, check out his partners. They can clearly see he doesn't have anything left.
I think he's in shock right now. And by the sound of this crowd, I don't think he's the only one feeling that way.
Now back to the ring.
Takes him down in a major way, too.
Oh, man. Oh, so ruthless.
Now that's how you use a table to your advantage.
Oh, through the table.
That's called making a statement, Cole.
Hooked up. Ah, shin breaker. Robert Gibson with serious reason for concern.
Six-man tag team match certainly seems to be getting the best of him here.
Oh, so ruthless.
Now that's how you use a table to your advantage.
Beautiful technique.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Lightning fast reflexes.
I don't
believe it. And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
Oh, so ruthless.
Now that's how you use a table to your advantage.
He's making a statement here with this attack. When this guy's on, look out. Irish whip.
Nope, reverses it. Taken off his feet here.
And it's moves like that that make him so dangerous.
Back breaker.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Oh, what's this gonna be? Uh-oh.
I don't believe it. And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
He wants no part of the outside.
Ooh, right to the face.
Destroyed. This is not the place where you want to underestimate your competition.
Absolutely not. Irish whip. This capacity crowd starting to sense the end is near, and I don't disagree. He may very well have reached the point of no return here in this six-man tag team match.
I'm not used to seeing this. Let's not write him off yet. Remember, his opponent isn't necessarily whistling Dixie either.
Nailed it. And that one drops him.
Somebody's on a mission tonight.
Watch out!
Yeah, we all know he's a guy with great skill and endurance.
Clothesline.
Oh, that'll leave a mark.
Zayn's looking to end it. Oh, and a DDT.
Planet. Zayn is on a roll again. Has Sami Zayn produced an end result?
Incoming from Austin.
And Austin. Luther's press. Luther's press.
Look at him go! Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
Stone Cold can draw the curtains on this fight.
I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. Bringing it back into the ring. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, no, he's taken down.
You know, I don't think he has much left.
Inside the ring now.
Oh, so ruthless.
Now that's how you use a table to your advantage.
Oh, it's a reversal.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. He wants no part of the outside.
Not today.
Oh my goodness! Keep your eye on this one.
Watch out!
Bulldog. That's how you put an exclamation point on a match.
Oh! What a stomp! Good grief! Not where he wants to be right now.
Hey, he got himself into this mess.
He's got to get himself out of it now.
Got step up Enziguri.
Rocked him. Hooked up and belly to back suplex.
Here it is.
Fine, this is dangerous here.
Oh no, don't do it!
Boom! Northern Lights through the table. Now it's time to capitalize.
Oh no, I don't like Steve Austin's chances in this one.
I think we're about to see a high-risk move from the top rope. Boom, what impact. He's not in a good spot here, guys.
He simply needs to find a way to regroup.
I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
You're not going to win many matches absorbing punishment like that. Irish whip. Oof. Steve Austin doing a great job of turning that around.
Robert Gibson gets out of the way quickly.
I don't like the look in his eye here, folks. Uh-oh. Thunderous slam.
But can he follow up here?
Back between the ropes. I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael. Wow, I thought he was a goner.
Oh, so ruthless.
Now that's how you use a table to your advantage.
There he goes, crashing to the floor. Stunner! Stone Cold with a stunner!
Here's Austin's opportunity to win this thing.
Jeez, I don't like Sami Zayn's chances in this one.
Oh, clothesline! Just carrying the opposition here.
But you can't carry your opponent all day. You gotta make a move eventually.
Incoming. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. He wants no part of the outside. He doesn't want to do this outside the ring. When this guy's on, look out. I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
He's making a statement here with this attack. This can go a variety of different ways, Corey.
And almost none of them are good.
Ooh, what impact. I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael. Oh boy, he is rolling.
He wants no part of the outside. What can Steve Austin do here to up the odds for success? This may very well be one of his toughest challenges in a very long time.
Consider me wildly unimpressed with his performance here tonight. I mean, he's just getting destroyed in there.
And Steve Austin, too quick that time.
Table in play. This might be it.
Oh my.
Oh my God.
Here we go.
Oh man. Wisely bringing the action back into the ring. Oh my goodness.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
And he's heading back in. Got the reversal. And his chances of winning the six-man tag team match appear to be slipping away.
That's over at this point.
This has been one of the most intense back-and-forth battles I've seen in a long time. And unfortunately for him, it's not looking so great right now.
Oh, clobbered by the steps.
That'll make you reassess some things. Yeah, we all know he's a guy with great skill and endurance. Oh, from behind.
Oh, wow.
Frankensteiner.
Nice. Watch out.
Down he goes.
That'll do it every time.
Look at this. Uh-oh.
Harsh impact. Game, set, match. This one is over.
Powerbomb planted.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring.
I don't believe it. And that table can shorten careers, Michael. Oh, what a forearm.
Oh, what a strike to the back.
Vicious strike.
He's going for it all.
Vicious attack.
Matt Hardy being tested here. This is clearly not the same competitor who started this match in such great shape.
I think this one's over.
Let's remember, though, guys, his opponent doesn't seem to be in great shape either.
Oh, so ruthless.
Now that's how you use a table to your advantage. Uh-oh.
Twist of fate! That's what he was looking for, Michael. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
I don't believe it.
And that table can shorten careers, Michael. Oh, boy, he is rolling. Side effect! Here's his moment, Michael.
Both teams working well here together. That's not always the case in a six-man tag team match. Oftentimes, you'll see personal agendas eat their way into the action. Boom, what impact!
Drops from above.
There's the heel kick. Ooh.
Oh, he's such a tough target. He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does.
When this guy's on, look out.
Beautiful technique.
Byron, he looks like he has no idea where he is.
Yeah, he is definitely on Dream Street, Michael.
That'll hinder your modeling career.
Oh, this guy's
Shining wizard.
Right to the jaw. This one is over. I couldn't be more impressed by that. Oh, my God! But I'm not so sure that's enough to put Austin away. Things just went from bad to worse for Steve Austin.
Yeah, we all know he's a guy with great skill and endurance. He's a ball of energy right now, but we'll see if it lasts.
Oh, no.
Super kick. If that doesn't end it, I don't know what will.
What a stomp. Good grief. Oh, he's able to reverse it. Counter here. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Back in the ring now. Here he goes. This might be it.
Oh, my.
That might just be the final nail in the coffin. Really working over the body.
Oh, right to the face.
Nasty impact. Oh, it was a stunner. That was the best one I've ever seen.
And it appears Steve Austin is starting to hit the wall physically now. He's absolutely running on fumes right now.
And things look bleak right now.
Guys, you can tell he's drained, but I guarantee you that won't stop him from doing everything he can to win this thing.
Oh, impactful slam.
Nailed it.
Gets out of the way of that one. Oh, damage to the body.
And Steve Austin too quick that time. Whoa, Matt Hardy dodged that one. Elusive.
He wants no part of the outside. having to dig down deep to pick up the win.
Few things are more rewarding than that feeling of keeping your opponent's shoulders down for the 3 count.
What a match, and thank you.
Gonna take it over. No, I'm not afraid. Now I'm getting closer till the day I stand here on my own. Leave the world back down below. I'm taking away. Tear down everything. This fire burns inside me. I fight to take control. They try but cannot break me. Never forget, never let go. And now I'm back again. The rest get left behind. Up top and there's nothing changing. This time it's mine for the taking.
Making his way to the ring from the other side of darkness, weighing in at 235 pounds, Raiden.
Let me take this opportunity to say happy Thanksgiving to all of you watching tonight.
I gotta say, I don't know if it's because I ate too much turkey or if it's just Saxton's commentary. It's a good thing this match coming up is gonna give me a little boost.
It's Saxton's commentary.
And his opponent from the pits of hell, weighing in at 453 pounds, the Machine.
And guys, what a thrill it must be for these superstars to compete here on Thanksgiving.
Especially considering what this day has meant to this industry over the years. For decades, Thanksgiving was considered one of the biggest nights of sports entertainment. And that tradition continues here tonight.
And there's the bell. And here we go. This is the type of battle that you can show someone who's new to our brand of entertainment and say, this is what WWE's all about.
I can't help but get the feeling that this is going to be one of those matches people will be talking about for a long time to come.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Big slam.
Woo-wee.
over the body.
What a strike. He's on the defensive here. This could be the start of an ugly downward spiral if he's not careful.
He just has to make sure this doesn't get too out of hand for him. Sometimes, momentum has a way of permanently swinging one way. That's what he wants to avoid here.
You seem more motivated than ever.
He's looking at it. He's taking some offense. He's going to want to make sure this doesn't snowball out of control.
I know it's somewhat early still, but this could...
Whoa, he works his way out.
A bit of a Houdini job right there.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Ooh, right in the face.
Destroyed.
It'll destroy your face.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
He's out there in no man's land.
He's got to find a way to get to safety, Cole.
I'm not sure he can.
No! Face first, snake eyes! Looks like he's starting to falter. I'd say he's starting to feel the pressure a bit.
He's really starting to look fatigued here, guys, and when that happens, your whole body starts to give out on you. He's going to need to be careful here.
Uh-oh, no, don't do this. Don't.
Ooh, that's how you dominate your opponent.
Back in from the floor. Oh, and he dodges out of the way.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
What a clothesline! Ouch! The end may be near, folks. You can't help but wonder how much more of this he can take.
He is hurt. I don't know. I don't think he truly understood just how dangerous his opposition was heading into this match.
Slam!
Just when you thought he...
Too close for comfort.
Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Showing some quickness there.
Military.
Ooh. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Hump day. Hopefully this WWE action is helping you get through those minutes. Oh!
That should do it. Did you guys feel that too?
No, he reverses it.
Harsh impact.
If you're just tuning in, I want to welcome everyone to this broadcast of WWE, coming to you from the capital of the Golden State, Sacramento.
Buster! He's playing with him now.
The end is near for him.
Slam! That has got to be it.
Is the second time enough to end this match?
Here's a cover. 1, 2, 3. There's the pinfall and the victory. How about another look at some of the highlights?
This match wasn't exactly a barn burner, but we can't expect every superstar to be on their A game every time, I guess. These guys showed flashes in this match, but flashes don't exactly set the world on fire, as these highlights show very well.
Here is your winner, The Machine.
Extremely impressive win, guys.
Wow, I can't believe the amount of punishment that had to be inflicted in order for those shoulders to stay down for the 3 count.
Guys, it sounds like we can all agree that was an extremely impressive win.
Gonna take it over. No, I'm not afraid. Now getting closer till the day I stand here on my own. Leave the world back now below. I'll take it away. Sit down everything. This fire burns inside me.
The Big Red Machine is here.
Making his way to the ring from parts unknown, weighing in at 326 pounds, Kane!
What a terrifying sight to behold.
What a frightening presence. The evil inside this man.
Matched by the frightening amount of destruction that Kane is capable of.
A multi-time champion. He's dominated WWE for many, many years.
And from Amsterdam, in the Netherlands, weighing in at 640 pounds, Big Funky
Corey, how do you think these
Tucker.
superstars feel about competing here on Thanksgiving?
They should feel honored, Cole. As you know, Thanksgiving has a long-standing tradition of being one of the more prestigious nights on the sports entertainment calendar.
And from New York, weighing in at 234 pounds, the $1 Million Champion, Maniac Cobb.
And let me take this opportunity to say happy Thanksgiving to all of you watching tonight.
I gotta say, I don't know if it's because I ate too much turkey or if it's just Saxton's commentary. It's a good thing this match coming up is gonna give me a little boost.
It's Saxton's commentary. Look who's here!
Oh, yeah!
intensity redefined. Macho Man, one of the all-time greats.
A role model and inspiration for countless WWE superstars.
Who'll ever get WrestleMania 3?
The Macho Man with Ricky Steamboat for the Intercontinental Championship. Still argued to this day, the greatest match of all time.
A true legend, one of the all-time greats. Absolutely phenomenal in the ring. Synonymous with WWE, WrestleMania.
It could be argued that the Macho Man has inspired the entire current generation of WWE superstars.
Look who's here! The Swiss Cyborg!
This is my favorite part. I gotta find my ZUR section sign.
And from Lucerne, Switzerland, weighing in at 232 pounds, Cesaro.
Pound for pound, most powerful man in WWE today. You know, he had one of the all-time great rivalries with Sheamus, but Corey, it ended up working out in the favor for both men.
Forming a tag team now known as The Bar. Sheamus and Cesaro's bond was based on mutual respect for how tough, for how physical one another truly are, and the fact that they forced each other to raise their levels.
From Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 270 pounds, Goldberg!
One of the driving forces behind WCW's success, former WCW champion.
A man who absolutely bleeds intensity.
Beyond the WCW championship, Goldberg's a two-time United States champion, one-time WCW tag team champion. Oh, and by the way, a WWE Universal champion.
In fact, you go back to WCW Road Wild in 1998, where Goldberg defeated 8 members of the NWO in a battle royal.
That was back when pretty much everybody in WCW was in the NWO.
And from San Antonio, Texas, weighing in at 227 pounds, the Heartbreak Kid, Shawn
the showstopper, Mr. after WrestleMania, Shawn Michaels has earned every single moniker bestowed upon him in his career. Shawn Michaels has come a long way from the days when he trained with the legendary Jose Lothario back in 1984. What a storybook career.
The beast from the east has arrived.
From Asbury Park, New Jersey, weighing in at 393 pounds, Bam Bam Bigelow.
The beast from the east, and he looks to be in a bad mood.
Some of those incredible moments in WWE history, thanks to this man, Bam Bam Bigelow.
Once main evented at WrestleMania.
Man, this card is just packed with so many great matches, and this one is definitely among the most anticipated, I'd say.
Down to the floor. Ooh, what impact. What a strike. Scoop slam. Oh my goodness, crushing it.
Axe handle finds its target.
Using the elbow as a weapon.
Ooh, just dropped.
What a stomp. Good grief.
Oh, nasty elbow. That'll mess up your neck. Man. Nailed it.
HBK not in a great way here, but he's not appearing too worse for wear, at least not yet anyway.
He obviously came into this match intent on taking the fight to the outside as much as he could, though I'm not sure that's the right approach.
I know it's early, but he has to do everything in his power not to let this get out of hand.
This might be it. Oh, my. Kane with the excellent move to get out. Back now inside the ring. In the spirit of DX, Shawn Michaels' first instinct is to rebel against any type of authority, but there's also an unbelievable pride he takes in being the best, in being the icon.
Look, I appreciate a good rebellion against authority more than most, Cole, but
With Shawn Michaels, everything is connected to his desire to be the greatest competitor in...
Setting up for it. Ooh, what impact.
No doubt about that one.
That might be the end of Bam Bam Bigelow tonight.
I need to expand on Shawn Michaels' rebellious attitude, guy.
Michaels setting it up. Corey, tell me, just how much strength does carrying your opponent around like this take?
let's put it this way, Cole. Saxton would never be able to do it.
Good luck stopping Bam Bam when he's rolling like this.
Well, that'll hinder your modeling career.
He's getting roughed up pretty bad here. You have to wonder how much longer he can go on like this.
This is all but over. Oof!
The elbow! Kane's starting to look tired. If he's not careful, this can snowball out of control for him in a hurry.
This is one of the more evenly matched contests we've seen in quite some time. From the looks of things, it could really go either way. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Back in from the apron.
Oh, nasty impact.
He's starting to show signs of fatigue. He needs to create some space and find a way to get back on the offensive.
He's been gambling quite a bit here tonight. There's plenty of reward that goes along with being outside the ring as much as he has been, but there's a ton of
Beautiful technique.
This just might be enough for him to take the victory here.
There's almost no rebounding from a strike like that.
Boom! He might have it.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Harsh impact. You gotta believe this one's over.
But I don't know how much gas he has left, guys. Ooh, neck breaker.
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
When this guy's on, look out. Boom, what impact. He has him right where he wants him.
Yet another counter.
Did you see that? That was unreal. But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize? The situation just got real bad for Goldberg.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Lariat knocked him right off his feet.
Yeah, no kidding.
You gotta believe this one's over. No, reverses it. Elbow drop.
Right to the heart.
Oh, right to the back. Oh, and he's taken off his feet.
I'll tell you, he can't afford to be horizontal at this point in the match, Cole.
A competitor has been eliminated.
Bringing it back between the ropes. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Big time slam. Vicious. Ooh, what impact.
Toss to the outside. Neckbreaker.
Can he finish the job?
Showing him.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
And there's the reversal from Randy Savage.
Beautiful technique.
Tell me what Shawn Michaels can do here to improve his chances. He's always up for a challenge, and tonight is no different.
Guys, at this point, I'd be shocked if his opponent is able to complete this comeback.
Oh, no! Someone call the orthodontist.
No telling where or when this will end.
When this guy's on, look out. Man, what a slam.
Tapped into an energy source, and he's going strong.
Oh, driver! He's back in control here.
You're going to want to see your internist after a slam like that.
With a gut-wrench suplex. What impact!
Yeah, when he's going like this, no telling how long he'll keep it up.
Just incredible power.
Oh, God, that hurt. I think Randy Savage is done playing.
Been eliminated.
Look at the height. German suplex. Woo.
Tear the features clean off your face.
Wow, what a sequence.
Yeah, that was amazing.
Samoan drop.
Oh, a flying forearm. On the mark. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Uh-oh. Setting him up. Uh-oh. Neckbreaker. Things are looking dire for Shawn Michaels. And I'm not sure he even knows where he is.
That's over at this point.
Flying forearm. Whoa, down he goes.
That was impressive, Cole.
A high-risk maneuver in the works from that top turnbuckle. Look at this. What a throw.
Savage can't be feeling good right now.
I mean, it looks to me like he's almost completely out.
I think this one's over. The Macho Man needs to stay focused and utilize that trademark intensity to get back into this match.
Oh, shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
Oh, shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
Goldberg is bleeding profusely now.
Takes him down hard.
You gotta love that kind of aggression.
Uh-oh.
Watch out.
Oh, shoulder first.
I think the ring just shifted.
Gut-wrench suplex.
Making it look easy.
And Kane manages to reverse out of that one.
Going all the way up. Look at this.
Somebody unleashed the Savage. Whack. Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Whack. Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
This might be it.
Oh, my. Randy Savage just too fast for him.
That one fails to connect.
Great idea by him. Too bad it was awfully executed, though.
This is going to be bad for Shawn Michaels. Right to the back of the neck. He's looking a little wobbly here, guys.
Michael, his legs look like they're about to give out on him.
Randy Savage with a nice reversal. Oh, and he reverses it. This might be big. Now the old vicious head crank. Look at the torque. And there's his speed paying off. I think Randy Savage is done playing. Oh, this is dangerous right here. Look out, look out. Oh, what height.
That's what he was looking for, Michael.
I think Randy Savage just secured this match.
Double axe handle smack.
Look, oh, and a backbreaker. Right to the spine.
Oh, boy, he is rolling. Randy Savage just too fast for him.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Atomic drop. Ooh.
Clothesline.
Randy Savage just too fast for him.
Clothesline.
And it's Michael showing some agility.
Shawn Michaels gets out of that one. Nice move. Quick thinking to avoid that one.
A competitor has been eliminated. Randy Savage has
believe
been
it.
eliminated.
This one is over. Sometimes a match can't live up to the hype, guys, but that one sure did.
These superstars gave as good as they got, and these fans got their money's worth from the opening bell.
Every single minute of this one was memorable.
Here is your winner, the Heartbreak Kid, Shawn Michaels.
What a back-and-forth battle that was.
The Macho Man just got eaten up like a delicious meat snack.
You're making me hungry. What a great match. Thank you, everybody, for spending part of your Thanksgiving holiday with us.
I make them feel